If at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's like 7:15, and as promised, my Monday video will be going up. I'm doing this clearly now. So I just recreated a look that I did on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to get this. Obviously over here, I used the Too Faced Clover Palette. This is what it looks like. Since we are in fall, I was inspired by Charlie Brown. In the meantime, let's show you some of these videos. Our drugstore, by the way, and some from the hair store. In my last video, you heard me rave about this CoverGirl micro, ultra fine brow pencil, and I use the shade 705 Rich Brown. And so I just went ahead and took it upon myself to get a big cut because I really like it, and it's really, as you can see, it's really nice. But don't get me wrong, I still love my next one, but this one is up there. So I just went ahead and got another one of those, and then I also wanted to try the brow gel in the same shade and see how, well, this is 605, but I just want to see how that goes. Then I've been seeing a lot about this brand, so I just wanted to try their pomade. It looks a lot like, it looks really good though. So hopefully soon I'll be trying it. I'm not opening it until obviously I run through my other stuff. I also picked out this Wet n Wild black lipstick. I only have one, which is the Anastasia one, but yeah, 69 cents, y'all. So this is in the shade Blackout. So I also got this Wet n Wild retractable pencil. I liked it, but I had got the wrong shade and it just wasn't cute. So I got these two brushes from the hair store. One is a tapered, well, I guess you might as well say crease blending brush, and then this is just a large eyeshadow brush to, you know, pretty much pack down the eyeshadow. And we all know what the crease blending brush is. So then I saw these and I couldn't pass them up, so I might use one of these at the end of this. But yeah, so that's my little, you know, store haul or whatever. And then I get some Neutrogena makeup wipes because I heard so many great things about it. So far, just to catch you up, like I said, I used the brow pencil. I also used my LA Girl concealer, of course, and Fawn. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here called Fur Baby and put that in as my transition / crease color. And I'm just taking that, of course, on my BH Cosmetics 101 brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Cuddle Buddy. So I'm just keeping it fall themed right now. When the holidays come, I'm going to switch it up. It'll probably be some more burgundies and stuff like that. Maybe some burnt oranges, which is definitely another fall staple. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'll be doing for the holidays because Halloween is pretty much here. So I'm just like Thanksgiving. I'm thinking about Thanksgiving and what I'm doing for Thanksgiving. So I'm not sure. I might be working. I also have a job interview later today. So that's going to be fun. And I also have to work this morning. So yeah, that's great. Take this shade right here and Cuteness Overload. This right here, very pretty color. I'm just gonna use it as my brow bone highlight. I'm just using this random brush. I don't know where I got it from, but I'm just using this to highlight under my brow. Originally, I was trying to use my Smashbox smudge pot, and it's dried up, which is kind of a heartbreaker because that's the only brown liner that I have. So I had to improvise and use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, but I don't like it as an eyebrow pencil. It makes my eyebrows look really, really greasy. So yeah, that's not really fun. So to cut my crease, you already know, yes, I have a new one. Told you I got backups. And I'm literally gonna put a dollop of concealer on the back of my hand, and you already know what's coming next. As my friend called it, the bougie brush, but I'm gonna be coming through with my MAC 231 brush. Let me see if I'm right this time. Yes. So I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to cut the crease and pray that it looks sort of like that side. Go back into Cuddle Buddy. And just, just pretty much clean up the concealer. This BH Cosmetics 104 brush. And now I'm going to take this shade right here, Good Boy, which is like a really pretty mustardy yellow, which is another beautiful fall color. So I'm just going to pack that on. So I'm just going to blend that out a little bit better. So now that that's done, I'm going to take my liquid crystal body liner by NYX in the shade Crystal Gold, and I'm just going to outline that cut crease really quickly, but not too quickly, because then that's how I'll be messing up. It's just like a little reminiscence of some gold in the crease. I'm going to go ahead and take this Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I'm just gonna do my little wing. That's done. Now I'm gonna just go in with foundation. I already primed my face with this Smashbox Photo primer. So now I'm just going to go ahead, close that up for a little bit. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match in the shade N8. I'm just going to take this Lexi Precision Foundation brush and blend it in. So I'm now just going to take this Real Technique sponge and just really go around my edges. I'm going to give one of these pat. And the wash tool, I just used it the other day. I'm going to use the Clinique 2-in-1 Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the shade Golden. So I'm just going to do that really quick. So now I'm just going to take that same Real Technique brush and just blend it out. And now I fell in love with this like a year ago, and some people are just catching up to it. But this is the Luxury Baking Powder Banana from Makeup Revolution London, and it pretty much states the natural heat from your body will cook powder over base foundation or concealer, giving you a flawless finish. And when I say this powder is everything, This powder is everything. So you just tap off the excess. And I'm just gonna put a little bit under there. But I'm baking, so I'm just put a lot under there. While that's going on, I'm gonna take the Morphe Bronzer and Show Mints, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm just gonna take a little angle brush like this from Coastal Scents, and I'm just gonna sweep that on my face real quick. I am going to now work on my powder, my lower lash line, and I'm just going to take the same brush that I applied Good Boy with. I'm just going to dip into Cuddle Buddy now and just apply it to my lower lash line. Eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. My friend just texted me. Shout out to Zamir. He's leaving today. He's going to be training for the National Guard. So shout out to him. I used to work with him at one of my old jobs, and like we just hit it off. We just clicked. That was and will forever be my boo. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, that will forever be my babe. But so side note, shout out to you, boo. I'm so proud of you. I love you so much. Please come back home safe to us, and I'll see you when you return. But so now I'm just gonna take this and just lightly do my waterline, because I don't know how much I can trust this. So, you know, my eyes seem all swollen, but at the end of the day, I know why. Lash with my Clinique High Impact Mascara. And so I'm just gonna mist my face really quick because I was looking hella powdery. Now I'm going to take Kiss Velvet Remy Hair Lashes. I'm just gonna get that popping. And while I'm doing it, I'm just gonna see how they fit first. Hopefully I don't have to do much cutting, but who knows. Yes, this is going to be a long edited video. I can see that now. These are these type of lashes. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get these. So I'm just going to see how they look. Let me post this. So now that the lash glue is drying, I actually just used my Morphe 8W Warm Master Blush Palette, and I just used Unapologetic and MUA on my cheeks. Something with Morphe highlighting brush, which you see in probably plenty of people use. And because it's making a comeback, I'm going into my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I mean, like just look at it. Can we just appreciate that highlight? So I'm just gonna lightly dip into it and start applying it to my cheeks. So y'all, this is the final look. I just took a little bit of the Cuteness Overload and put it in my inner corner. The lashes are alright. I'm not the biggest fan of them. Like, I don't know, like, they just really look not dollar store like, but like just really, excuse me, just really, I don't know, not my thing. She used Sanctuary by Kat Von D, and I also used the Sephora 21 Rouge lip cream lip stain. So I usually would have used something to go with it. But I just pretty much mixed those two together, and this is the final product. I just wanted something a little toned down since my eyes were already doing so much. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna figure out exactly what am I gonna be putting up on Wednesday when I'm at work today. I just got a phone call, so if I seem like I'm a little out of it, that's why. But yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Tell everyone. I hope you like this look. I'm really loving my eyes. I should have did it for like a full brown lip, but I can't find my brown lippy nowhere. So with that, have a good day and have a good night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one.
You don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again.